information. So you all of know now the today's education topic is BNI Connect. So everyone having BNI Connect app in their mobile, right?
Yes.
So can anyone help me to understand for which purpose you are using that app?
To connect to other regions.
Yes. Yes. Overseas, yes. Then, yeah, you have to enter the thank you notes, reference, testimonials, one-to-ones, right? So these are the your record of your performances, correct? So BNI Connect is not only to record your performance but to generate business for yourself and your fellow members. So we'll understand how to generate business from BNI Connect. So while doing the business, we need some services from market to give the services to our client, correct? So everyone here is having your website, right? Yes, company website. So that website is generating lead for you, correct? So now BNI Connect is your platform to generate business for your company. Okay, we come here, invest our time and money here, so we have to generate business from BNI Connect app. So while giving services to market, we need services for ourselves. So these are the social media platform where we generally search suppliers, like architect needs some painters, manufacturer needs some raw materials. So these are the search engines like Just Dial, India Mart, Yellow Pages. But rightly our president said that it is a chance, it is a strange to take a chance from a phone directly because we don't know these people, right? Their performances, their background, their how they evaluate ourselves, we don't know. So we have to go for the trusted website. So we as a member get benefit to the BNI Connect app, correct? So BNI is the best platform to select our suppliers. So how to ask for the supplier is first in your specific ask, correct? 30 seconds you can ask for your references, correct? Then cross chapter, while doing the trainings and networking you can ask for the supplier in the cross chapter, and then BNI Connect Global. While sitting in your office you can reach to the global network and find the supplier over there. Rightly said by Vaibhav Panse sir, they have got the reference in Bangalore for their services. So वो यहाँ पे थे और उनका काम वहाँ पे हो गया, correct? So he got the business from Bangalore and he executed business using the BNI Connect app from their side, correct? So how to search for the supplier? तो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, सर्च में जाना है, पेंटर डालना है, तो you will get all painters from all areas, different chapter, different regions. So like this you have to find out your requirement within the chapter, outside the chapter or outside the region. Similarly, if you want to get connected with the any specific chapter from any area, you have to go as a chapter wise. Okay, you can see here is a chapter, and if there is no classification in the chapter as for your category, you can directly pitch your category, your services to that chapter. If there is no ISO consultant in Achievers chapter, I can go and do one-to-ones with them. Okay, so I can generate more and more business for myself within that chapter. Okay, now how to provide services. These all we have seen that how to generate suppliers for ourselves within a trusted source of BNI Connect. Now we have to pitch our services to market. How to do that? Okay, you have to go to the network, then to the groups. There are many groups. You have to go to your power team group like manufacturer, financial services, architectures. In that you have to enter your keystroke. Yes, in public groups you have to type here that like I have written there information technology consultants. Okay, so like this you can search for the any title or description. You can select here title or description. You will get all ISO consultancy power team groups in one connect. Yes, so these are the topic going on in discussion within the chapter, within the power team. So you can participate in the discussions and teach your introductions. Yes, like here they are asking for the cloud migrations. Okay, so I have pitched myself, I have given my introduction, and I have passed this reference to the cloud person from our category. So I have generated one reference for our fellow member. Also I am pitching myself to the Power Teams. So that you can find the different category of your Power Team from the BNI Connect app. Yes. So now we have understood how to generate our references and pitch our services to the market. Next. Why BNI Connect? Because it is a trusted source. Again, the members are tested. We have given the references, they have executed the orders. So it are tested between the 40 to 50 members. It's locally easily available worldwide. Then always ready to help, and last is it's very easy to track, because Just Dial India Mart पे track करना बहुत difficult है, but BNI पे we can track it on easy basis. Thank you.